Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can view a private Twitter account without following them. So let's dive in. So the first thing you can do is to go ahead and search for the Twitter handle that is private, and you can see that this, for example, Twitter handle is private, and that means that we cannot see their tweets or the posts until we follow them. So what you can do is you can go on and head back to the search bar, and what you should do is you should search for the handle, but this time do not click on the suggestion that's given by Twitter. Go ahead and click search. After you write the handle, you just go ahead and click search after you write the handle, and what that will do is it will give us a search of everything related to that handle. And as you can see, we can see all the tweets that involve our handle, and that is all the information that you can actually pull. And that is it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.